Welcome to Machines Tech Channel. Today we will explore logging, a job that requires the perfect combination of strength and intelligence. Follow along to learn more about the challenges and how to ensure safety in this field of work. Let's get started. People often underestimate the weight of a tree when watching guys tug of war with a tree. Drives me crazy. A rotten tree left for a long time can become a hazard. It can collapse at any time. Lumberjacks need to keep an eye out and handle it. Watching this guy makes you realize how much experience, precision, and courage it takes to safely take down a giant tree. Oh my God, he still doesn't seem to understand what's happening to the house. The cut looks so smooth, the technique is perfect and executed smoothly, like a well-practiced dance with nature. A huge tree fell down. The sound of the fall was like a big explosion, and then only fragments remained. When it falls down, it's like witnessing a part of the history of the ancient forest collapse. Majestically, like there's a bit of beautiful regret. I wonder how we can wrestle with these giant monsters. Sometimes not everything goes according to plan. You just have to accept it and fix it. This is the image of efficient logging, smoothly exploited with a small chainsaw. He has brought down the tree. Bold and daring. If only it had been a little more precise, the house wouldn't have collapsed. Now it will cost more money to repair it. Several trees fell at once. That guy is a tree-felling wizard. It's impossible to improvise. Cutting down in that direction is called a job. There is a real art to felling trees that is more than just brute force. It is about understanding the wood grain, the wind, and the terrain. The logger's cuts are like the strokes of an artist creating his masterpiece.
Every lumberjack knows this beast all too well. It is the ultimate test of skill and courage, and it is a testament to his expertise that he can handle a job like the Saint.
The sight alone gives me the shivers, and swinging that saw at that height is terrifying to think about. The extraordinary warrior with truly amazing superior skills. He cut down a large, long-lived tree in front of his house and hit it in the right direction without it falling on the house. The sound of the tree falling sounded like thunder. Protective gear is essential when working. I admire the skill and strength it takes to be a lumberjack, but it is incredibly difficult and dangerous work. Hats off to those brave and tough enough to keep the lumber moving. Removing large dead trees in the forest is necessary to allow other trees to grow. This giant rotting tree also poses a potential danger to the loggers. It can collapse at any time. It's awesome. The way they approach tree felling is a masterclass in safety and efficiency. Talking about a challenge, cutting down multiple trees at once is not an easy challenge, but killing two birds with one stone looks easy, but I know it's a very difficult job. This guy knows what he's doing, knows how to wedge in the right place, swings the hammer hard a few times, and that giant is going down exactly where he aimed, expert level. It is truly satisfying to witness the felling of a large tree. They are so large that it's difficult to know exactly where to start. To ensure safety, it requires skill and knowledge to do it properly. I never realized how fragile the balance of nature is. One tree falls, and the whole forest feels the impact. The way he sawed the big tree, and then used a hammer to hit it out onto the road, shows that he's a very strong person who can saw the big tree into small pieces. Alluring beauty combined with powerful work gives a unique charm, is definitely one of the biggest dangers out there. It serves as a reminder to not only pay attention to the branches and treetops, but also other potential dangers. Cutting a pine tree with a chainsaw is both an art and a science. I can't believe they cut down such a huge tree with just a tiny saw. He tried every way to cut the tree into pieces, using a hammer to make it release, then using a saw to cut the remaining parts. Finally, he brought it down. Cedar tree can be a monster to deal with, especially when leaning towards the ladder with clever thinking and precise straight cuts. The lumberjack saw gradually takes down this monster. It is an amazing feat to cut down a giant tree that has lived for many years. It is not a small task. Can you guess how long it took him to cut down this huge tree? Leave a comment below and watch the video with us. The perfect moment of watching that tree land in exactly that place is said to speak of skill and precision. This is the nature of forestry. The combination of skill, luck, and safety is the only thing that really matters. A warrior in the green forest is fighting a giant. Cutting down a giant tree is not as easy as you think. It requires the logger to have knowledge. This skill must be honed and performed with high precision because even a small mistake can lead to unforeseen consequences. How many years do you think it took to grow to that size? Do you think it was luck or amazing engineering?
Could be so efficient and beautiful. This 2-in-1 method takes tree felling to the next level. That guy is a little tool with big power. Every successful tree felling job starts with a solid plan, and he does his job right.
Decision of cutting the tree in the wrong direction would destroy the house. Luckily, no one was there. Now it will cost more money to fix it. Please leave your comments below. If our video amazed you, your support will fuel our creative fire. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe